Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We are picking few cards for our daily energies, guys, and we'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that will be uh, relating to our career situation and our relationship, guys. So this is for your career and this is for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. So that is our general guidance for today, guys. Cancer. So we'll open the cards now. Nine of Pentacles in reverse, the Lovers in reverse, King of Pentacles in reverse. Cancers, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, you are going through tough times really in your life, guys. Maybe some people, they have been working against you. They have deceived you, cheated you in some way, maybe in your work or in your relationship. You feel that your trust has been failed, that trust you had on this person has just gone, disappeared because of that situation, and you feel that choices that you have made today have turned bad. So whatever you have made, whatever you have decided, so that has gone wrong and things are not going well, things are not going up to your expectations, guys. And maybe also you have doubts about this person, guys, about your person you are in relationship with. That may also be the reason for your stress. Let us see what is the oracle guidance card for your career situation, Cancers. Why? So with this card, Cancer, the oracle guidance is that regarding your career situation, you need to be aware of what is the motive you have behind your career. So whatever you want to achieve, what is the motive? Is it because you want to serve others, or is it because you want a prosperity, you want a prosperous life, or you want to make money to save for your future? What is this? What is that motive? You have to find it out. The motive may be good or bad, that does not matter, but it should not be hidden from you. You should have that motive. Only when you have that motive, why you want to earn, why you want to make it big in your career, you will be clear. You will move away from disappointments and failure, and you will be able to be successful in your career, guys. So you need to be aware of your motives and accept them when they are true, when your motives are true. But if they are not true to what you have within, what thoughts you have, you need to change those motives and you can alter your course of action. That way you will reach success, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance. So you need to be clearly aware of why you need to make certain things, or why you are expecting certain achievements in your life, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance regarding our career. Let us see for our relationship. TikTok. So with this card, the oracle's guidance for our relationship is that, guys, uh, in life we need not have expectations, guys, for each and every moment. So we need not shape it according to what we are expecting. Sometimes things will manifest in such a way. Everything has its own timing, guys. Everything has its appropriate timing. Even our body has a particular timing. Reproductive cycles are there, and we age with time. So everything goes according to a perfect cycle. And sometimes in life we have appropriate time for love. So in this relationship, We need to understand that whatever is meant to be, whatever is preordained, will never go wrong, will never go away from it, from us actually. So, whatever is supposed to come towards us will always be there right on time. Even love is there right on time, guys. So, whatever we are supposed to experience, so we will never run out of time for important things. So, whatever is supposed to come towards us, it will always be there, guys, at that divine appropriate timing. Maybe at the right time, this right person will be there with you, Cancers. So, you can relax. That is the energy with this card. Let us see what is the angel oracle card. Happiness. So, the angel guidance for us today, Cancers, is that, guys, in our lives, in struggling times, we often forget that true joy comes from within us. So, even dogs seeing our pet play, or seeing that morning sunrise, or enjoying that cool breeze, whatever it is that brings happiness to us, we should never forget that. So, even at those sad times when we recognize these smaller things that bring happiness to us, we will feel that our spirit is being uplifted, guys, and we will feel that happiness, and we will feel that difference in our life, and we will enjoy that moment of joy. So we should never forget those small things that brings us joy, and happiness is from the heart, guys. It is not from the things outside. So we should remember that. That is the angels guidance for us, Cancers, and that is the reading for you all, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. Thanks again. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys.